everyone, my name is Carolin and today we are going to make a DIY projector with recyclables. I know that these days are being boring for us and that we want to keep doing things in our house. That's why I bring you a fun, simple activity for you to enjoy. Are you ready? Let's see the materials that we need. The recyclables materials that we are going to use for this activity are a cardboard roll, the one that comes with the toilet paper, tape. If you do not have tape, you can use bandage. If you don't have bandage, you can use tape. And cling wrap. Are you ready? Let's start. The first thing that we are going to use is to put the cling wrap above of the cardboard roll hole, like this. You are going to use tape. When you have this, you are going to use a marker and you can write your name, you can draw a happy face. Look my happy face. When you are done with your DIY projector with recyclables, you are going to find a light bulb and put it in the other side of the hole. Go to a dark place and see your projector. Looks good, right? I have here another one. Look, pizza, because I love pizza. You see? And the other one that says, hello. I hope that you enjoy this video. I will see you in another video. Bye.